In this video, I will tell you the internal structure of leaf, the different parts of leaf. Okay, the different internal parts of leaf like cuticle, upper epidermis, lower epidermis, palisade and spongy mesophyll, vascular bundles, xylem, phloem, stomata. Okay, I will tell in this video all the functions of these internal parts of leaf. Now let's begin the first part. Let's study the first part. It is cuticle. Cuticle protects plant against drought and extreme temperatures. Okay, it protects the plant against drought and extreme temperature. This is the function of cuticle. Next part is upper epidermis. This part of leaf absorbs sunlight and passes it to chloroplast as well. Upper epidermis is the part of leaf that absorbs sunlight and it passes the sunlight to chloroplast as well. Now the third part of leaf is lower epidermis. Now what's the function of lower epidermis? It actually contains stomata. Now what are stomata? Stomata are the small holes in leaf from which air and water vapors enter and leaves. Okay, stomata are the small holes in leaf from which air and water vapors enter and leave. So stomata are present in lower epidermis of leaf. The fourth part of the leaf is guard cells. Guard cells are surrounded by stomata. Okay, guard cells surround the stomata. They help in opening and closing of stomata. Guard cells. What are guard cells? Guard cells surround the stomata. They help in opening and closing of stomata. Now the next part of the leaf, the function of the next part of the leaf, which is spongy mesophyll and palisade mesophyll cells. Now what are spongy mesophyll and palisade mesophyll cells? They consist of irregular shaped cells. Okay, they consist of irregular shaped cells that help in gaseous exchange. Spongy mesophyll and palisade mesophyll are irregular shaped cells that help in the gaseous exchange. Now next part, vascular bundles. What are vascular bundles? Xylem and phloem cells. Okay, xylem and phloem cells are collectively called vascular bundles. Xylem and phloem cells are collectively called vascular bundles. Now what is the function of xylem cells? Xylem cells transport water to whole plant. The function of xylem cells is to transport water to the whole plant body, whereas phloem cells transport food to whole plant. What is the difference between xylem and phloem cells? That xylem cells transport water to the plant and phloem cells transport food to the plant. This is the end of my lecture. Thanks for watching my video.